Ever wonder how to juggle the demands of parenthood and still keep the house spotless? It seems like an impossible task, doesn't it? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Today we're going to talk about some extraordinary products that will help transform your cleaning routine, making it easier, faster, and more efficient. First up, we have the baby bottle sterilizer. This little gem is a must-have for every busy parent. It's not just about cleaning, it's about ensuring the utmost hygiene for your little one. With its ability to sterilize multiple bottles at once, it's a real time saver. And the best part? It doubles as a dryer, saving you from the tedious task of towel drying each bottle. Next, consider the diaper pail deodorizers. These are the unsung heroes of a clean and fresh-smelling home. Just pop one into your diaper pail and voila! It absorbs all the unpleasant odors, making your nursery smell like a field of lavender rather than a diaper factory. Then there's the lint remover for dryers. It might sound trivial, but this handy tool can save your clothes from those pesky lint balls and keep your dryer running smoothly. It's like having a personal laundry assistant. Now let's shift gears to a product that's as versatile as it is effective. The pink stuff. This miracle cleaner can tackle anything from burnt pans to grubby tiles, making it a one-stop solution for all your cleaning needs. Don't forget the bottle cleaning brushes. These are a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning those hard-to-reach corners of baby bottles. They scrub away the residue, ensuring a thorough clean every single time. Another game changer is the drying rack. It's not just for dishes, it's perfect for air-drying baby bottles, pacifiers, and even small toys. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to an organized kitchen. And last, but certainly not least, we have the handheld vacuum. This compact device is your secret weapon against crumbs, pet hair, and all those little messes that seem to materialize out of nowhere. It's quick, it's convenient, and with its powerful suction, it's incredibly efficient. So there you have it. A baby bottle sterilizer that does the drying for you, diaper pail deodorizers that keep your nursery smelling fresh, a lint remover that saves your clothes and your dryer, the pink stuff for all your tough cleaning jobs, bottle cleaning brushes for a thorough clean, a drying rack to keep your kitchen organized, and a handheld vacuum for those quick cleanups. Each of these products is designed to simplify your life, making cleaning tasks less daunting and more manageable. So, busy parents, take a deep breath. Help is at hand. With these tools in your arsenal, maintaining a clean home doesn't have to be an impossible task anymore. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And with these products, you can do just that.